In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set bid limits with Google Ads. If you're managing ad spend and want tighter control over how much you pay per click, setting a maximum cost per click bid limit is a simple but powerful safeguard. It helps prevent unexpected spikes in CPC and keeps your campaign aligned with your budget and performance goals. Start by opening your Google Ads account and signing in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and click Campaigns. This brings up a list of all the campaigns in your account. Find the campaign you want to adjust and click into it to open its details. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the correct campaign is important, especially if you manage several with different goals and budgets. Inside the campaign view, go to Settings. You'll typically find settings in the left sidebar or across the top tabs, depending on your layout. Within Settings, locate the section labeled Bidding. This is where Google Ads manages how your bids are optimized and where you can place limits that cap your CPC. In the Bidding section, look for the option that says Set Maximum Cost Per Click Bid Limit. Click it to enable the field where you can specify your ceiling. Not every bidding strategy supports a max CPC limit, so if you don't see this option, it may be due to the strategy currently applied to your campaign. In that case, review whether your chosen strategy allows bid limits so you understand what's available to you. Now enter your maximum bid amount. This is the highest you're comfortable paying for a single click. Choose a number that reflects your typical CPC range and your campaign goals. For example, you might use historical CPC data as a guide and set the limits slightly above your average to give the system room to compete while still protecting your budget. If you're unsure, start conservatively. You can always revisit and adjust after you've collected enough data to evaluate performance. When your amount is set and everything looks correct, click Save. The change will apply to that campaign going forward. Give the system some time to adapt and then keep an eye on your key metrics like clicks, cost, and conversions. Remember, a strict cap can limit impression share in more competitive auctions, so balance control with flexibility to maintain volume. That's it. You've set a maximum CPC bid limit and added an extra layer of cost control to your Google Ads campaign.